Hello everyone, welcome to Heal and Grow with Nickie. Today we're going to learn a grounding technique that I like to call just the facts, ma'am. So for this technique, all we're focusing on are facts. Facts about ourselves. We know all about ourselves, right? So this should be fairly simple to figure out. But when we are caught up in a state of heightened arousal and emotion, it can be really hard to just get ourselves to calm down a little bit. So if what we do is we focus on the facts about ourselves, we are distracting ourselves and we are re-regulating our parasympathetic nervous system. Is it the parasympathetic? Oh God. Nope, it's the sympathetic nervous system. That's what deals with fight or flight. I tried. So here's what I like to do for just the facts, ma'am. I list out 10 facts about myself. I usually say it quietly to myself, otherwise people will think you're nuts, which is okay. Let them think that. But I just calm myself down by listing out 10 things about myself. They could be literally anything. So this is what I do. I do it under my breath. 1. My name is Nickie Krominga Hill. 2. I live in Minneapolis. 3. We rent our house. I mean, it really could be anything. 4. I'm married to Paul. 5. My home office is blue and green. 6. I accidentally kill plants. 7. I love to listen to all types of music. 8. The only thing I really want to do with my time is travel. 9. I'm wearing earrings today. 5. My God, I can't even count. I should just redo this entire video. 10. My eyes are hazel. I mean, really, it can be anything, but I just list the 10 things. Again, I typically say it out loud and under my breath, and it's just another way to calm ourselves down to the best of our ability when we're feeling really, really heightened. I hope you enjoyed just the facts, ma'am.